What if your phone could predict your spending patterns, help you save more effectively, and even guide you on investing like a pro? Sounds futuristic, right? But it's happening now, thanks to artificial intelligence. AI isn't just changing how we think about technology, it's transforming how we handle money. Stick around to discover how AI is revolutionizing personal finance, simplifying wealth management, and putting financial power directly into your hands. Artificial intelligence's role in personal finance. Artificial intelligence is reshaping personal finance in ways we never imagined. Once, managing money required hours of planning, financial advisors, and plenty of trial and error. Today, AI makes it possible for anyone to take charge of their finances effortlessly. With tools powered by machine learning and advanced algorithms, you can make better decisions, save more money, and even grow your wealth with just a few taps. AI-powered financial tools. Let's start with the tools that are changing the game. Budgeting apps like Mint, Rocket Money, and YNAB, You Need a Budget, are making money management easier than ever. These apps don't just track your spending, they analyze it. Imagine an app that categorizes your expenses automatically, identifies areas where you can cut back, and even predicts your future spending habits. That's the power of AI. For instance, apps like Clio use chatbots to offer personalized savings recommendations. Pocket Guard tells you exactly how much disposable income you have left after paying your bills, so you can spend confidently without worrying about overdrawing your account. But it doesn't stop there. AI can help you manage investments. Robo-advisors like Magnify analyze market trends and create tailored investment plans, helping you grow your wealth without needing to be a financial expert. How AI simplifies budgeting. Creating a budget has always been a daunting task. Enter AI. Instead of manually tracking every dollar you spend, apps now use AI to do the heavy lifting. They log every transaction, categorize your spending, and analyze patterns to show you where your money is going. For example, Mint app tracks your spending habits and offers suggestions to save. Rocket Money alerts you to unnecessary subscriptions and negotiates bills on your behalf. And YNAB helps you create a budget and stick to it by focusing on future financial goals. These tools aren't just convenient, they're empowering. They make financial literacy accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or expertise. Artificial intelligence and fraud prevention. One of AI's superpowers is its ability to detect fraud in real time. Banks and financial institutions use machine learning to monitor transactions and identify unusual activity instantly. This protects your money and ensures that potential fraud is flagged before it can escalate. Did you know? Financial fraud costs the U.S. banking industry billions of dollars annually. By catching suspicious activity early, AI is saving both banks and customers a lot of money. Wealth management made simple. AI is democratizing wealth management. Services that were once reserved for the wealthy are now accessible to anyone with a smartphone. Robo-advisors use algorithms to analyze your financial goals, risk tolerance, and market trends to recommend the best investment options. Imagine this. You input your financial goals into an app like Magnify, and it guides you on what to invest in and when. It's like having a personal financial advisor available 24/7, but without the hefty fees. Personalized financial guidance. One of the most impressive aspects of AI in personal finance is its ability to deliver personalized advice. For instance, if you're spending too much on takeout, an AI-powered app might suggest cheaper alternatives or recipes to cook at home. AI can also help with setting financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, AI analyzes your income and spending patterns to recommend actionable steps to reach your targets. Artificial intelligence in banking services. AI-powered tools integrate seamlessly with your bank accounts, giving you a comprehensive view of your finances. You can track transactions in real time, monitor balances, and even receive alerts to avoid overdrafts or missed payments. Some apps even go a step further, letting you move funds between accounts, make payments, or check your credit score, all from a single platform. Understanding AI's limitations. While AI is powerful, it's not perfect. It relies on data, and if that data is inaccurate or biased, the results can be flawed. For instance, an AI-powered loan service might perpetuate biases if its training data contains historical discrimination. Additionally, AI lacks emotional intelligence. While it can provide logical advice, it might not understand the nuanced human emotions that come with financial decisions. In high-stakes situations, like planning for retirement or making a major investment, it's still a good idea to consult a human financial advisor. Privacy and data concerns. To offer personalized advice, AI tools need access to your financial data. While this makes the tools incredibly effective, it also raises privacy concerns. Always choose apps with strong data encryption and transparent privacy policies to ensure your information is safe. The future of AI in finance. The potential for AI in personal finance is limitless. With advancements in generative AI and large language models, LLMs, the technology is becoming smarter, faster, and more intuitive. In the future, we could see even more sophisticated tools that predict market trends, offer real-time investment advice, and automate financial planning entirely. Imagine an app that not only helps you save but also invests your money in the best opportunities, without you lifting a finger. The AI revolution in finance is just getting started. Getting started with AI in finance. Ready to take control of your finances with AI? Here's how you can get started. Number 1. Download a budgeting app. A budgeting app powered by AI can revolutionize how you manage your finances. These apps categorize your spending, track income, and provide insights into your financial habits. By analyzing patterns, they help you spot unnecessary expenses and set realistic savings goals. Popular choices like Mint or You Need a Budget, YNAB, offer user-friendly tools to simplify budgeting. With real-time updates and customizable features, these apps ensure you stay in control of your money effortlessly. Number 2. Try a robo-advisor. Robo-advisors offer AI-powered investment advice tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance. Using advanced algorithms, they create and manage diversified portfolios, often at a lower cost than traditional advisors. Apps like Betterment or Wealthfront provide 24/7. Whether you're saving for retirement or a dream vacation, robo-advisors guide you every step of the way, making investing accessible and stress-free, even for beginners. Number 3. Monitor your credit. Keeping track of your credit is essential for financial health, and AI-powered tools make it easier than ever. Apps like Credit Karma offer real-time updates on your credit score, helping you spot inaccuracies or potential fraud early. These tools provide personalized tips to improve your credit, from paying off debts strategically to reducing credit utilization. With AI's insights, you can build a stronger financial profile and secure better rates for loans and credit cards. Number 4. Set financial goals. AI tools can transform vague aspirations into actionable financial plans. By analyzing your income, spending habits, and savings, these apps suggest achievable goals. Whether you want to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund, AI apps help you prioritize and track progress. Personalized reminders and milestones keep you motivated, while data-driven insights ensure your goals align with your financial reality, making success more attainable. Number 5. Stay informed. Knowledge is power, and staying informed about financial trends ensures smarter decisions. AI tools like personalized news feeds or market analysis apps provide curated updates tailored to your interests. Learn about changes in interest rates, stock market trends, or new budgeting techniques, all delivered in digestible formats. Staying informed helps you anticipate financial shifts, seize investment opportunities, and adapt your strategies. AI is revolutionizing personal finance, making it easier than ever to budget, save, and invest. With the right tools, you can turn financial challenges into opportunities for growth. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights on technology and finance. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.